Hola Glam Glocks. So we're kind of changing it up a little bit over here. I'm not picking my nose. Okay, I went nose itches. I love Dollar Tree. That is like a crafter's utopia. Other than Hobby Lobby, I really love Hobby Lobby, but they're getting kind of crazy with their price points. I just kind of wanted to show you a few things that I got today. The first being this handsaw. It's small. It's comes with a little protector, which I really appreciate. It's just small, like for little bitty projects that I do around the house and that I need to cut some of the stuff. It makes it a little bit easier than me having to get out my saw. I also got a few of these Halloween chains because I did see a DIY of making these industrial lamps, and they actually use this. They just spray painted it black, and I need to find it again, but I just wanted to pick up a few of these chains so that if I ever do get around to making the lamps, I have them on hand since they are part of the Halloween stock. I wanted to get them before they're gone, you know? Next, I got a set of paintbrushes because you can never go wrong with getting you some paintbrushes from Dollar Tree, and you get 3 different sizes. I really like that. And I cannot find my cupcake liners. I don't know where they are. So I grabbed these, and these are like 50 for just $1. Love it. And I really kind of like the print too. Not that it really matters. I mean, you're making muffins. Another thing that I really needed, I have found while doing my woodwork and crafting and stuff, is I really need like a good ruler. This is metal, okay? Oh, made a hole. This is metal, and it's really going to help me, and I really like it. So I got this as well. I'm also in need of a few Ziploc bags. Walmart, you can get more bang for your buck, but I need something kind of right now because I don't see myself having to go to Walmart here anytime soon. So I got these, they have the Glad brand. There's 10 gallon sized Ziploc bags, needed those, and I needed some sandwich bags, and there's 22 in this and 10 in this. So for $1, it's okay, especially since I kind of really need them right now. You know, anytime you are in a store and you have your little one, and of course she saw the doggone stickers. So they had these Shopkins stickers. I got them for her. She hasn't even asked for them. It's okay. I'll save them for whenever she does something really cool and she can have some stickers. Because I've kind of been in a DIY mood and just been crafting like crazy, I did see these wall arts. What are these? Yeah, wall creations jumbo stickers, and I figured for some of my crafts, because I do kind of do a little bit of rustic stuff, not too much. I saw these and I really like the stars, and I love the wheel. Get ready, because I'm gonna be doing like a wagon wheel DIY soon. And on the back, it's got the long horn and the guitar and stuff like that. So I really like this for $1. Like, I'll try it. I was in need of more glue sticks. I'm not sure if you get the most bang for your buck of getting them from Dollar Tree, but I grabbed a pack anyway because I know that I'm going to be needing them for a project that I'm going to be doing. To also help me in the laundry room, because we've got, you know, like the bottle of the spray and wash, and then our little fabric scent things that we throw into the wash. I needed something to put them in, so I just got this basket. Dollar Tree really, you know, you get your bang for your buck on the wire baskets. They're just such a really good tool. But I picked one of these up, and I'm going to be using this in there. I'm not going to paint it or anything because white is part of my decor. Thinking about the downy ball is in here, the little net for the bras. These you can also get at Dollar Tree, and they smell amazing. And for $1, you can't beat that. You just add that to the wash, and it just makes the clothes smell even better along with the fabric softener. But this is what we put our spray and wash in, and yeah. A few other things that I saw that were really cute that I wanted to pick up were these little ornaments. I got 2 of them. Again, white is kind of in my decor, and they're just these little owls. They're just these little owls, and they have like a burlap belly and a little holly. They're just these really cute little owls. They're really soft. I got 2 of them because I figured, you know, I could just stick them in my Christmas tree. And then I really like these little wooden signs. This one is peace. This one is joy. And then this one says love. I really like those, so I picked those up. And then they also had burlap ribbon. I love burlap ribbon. And this just has like Christmas, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. And it's 9 feet. For $1, I picked it up because it just was really cute. They had other kind of burlap ribbon, but this is the one I really liked. The main reason why I went to Dollar Tree is because it is homecoming week at my daughter's school, and I'm trying to help with their float. I can create stuff for my house and everything, but like floats and stuff like that, it's like, but I'm gonna give it a try. I want to make a few surfboards and a few little hair clips for my daughter. So I did go and I got these lilies. So anyway, these lilies right here, I'm gonna take off of these stems. I'm gonna take off the stems and I'm gonna make little hair clips like that and put them all in my daughter's hair. Oops, I forgot. I did get this because I saw another fall DIY that I'm gonna do with this. It's like wrapping the nautical rope around this and like getting, you know what, I actually like that. I think I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep that. But I am going to wrap this part with some nautical rope. Okay. I also got this cardboard poster board because I'm gonna use it to make a surfboard. Attempt to make a surfboard, okay? I may do a video on how I make it. I don't know. I also picked up some kind of like beige paint. And then because I do want to put on the cardboard like, you know, like go, you know, whatever our mascot is, the letters. I got some letters. And then I also saw like all of these, you know, Hawaiian looking things, and it's got a tiger with flowers in the hair, and on the back it's got more of the leaves. I thought I could put that on the surfboards. I think I'm going to try to make 2 surfboards, maybe 3 if I can push it. But that was just some of the things that I got today.
Hi guys!
And the main reason why I went was to try to look for some Hawaiian stuff. I wasn't quite successful. But yeah. So thank y'all for tuning in. Say bye.
Bye.